Right. The question here is, which property strategy is suited to me? Well, let's first introduce myself, and then we're going to crack on with that brilliant question so that you can get started in property. My name is Susannah Cole. I run the Good Property Company. I've been doing property for quite a long time now. Did £45 million worth of property, sourced for an agreed purchase price of 30 million quid in less than 5 years. I've flipped an absolute ton. I've kept a large property portfolio, and now classically financially free. So both as financially free as property can make you, you still have to do a bit of work. So, and that really means time freedom. So I'm pretty much traveling the world at the moment, but also, and location freedom, and also money freedom. So I still have to do a bit, but very little. So which property strategy suited to me? Well, it probably depends on where you're at. Things to help you with. My website, thegoodpropertycompany.co.uk. I want you to hop on over there. It's a brilliant website. I've spent a long time putting it together for you. So you can download packs, you can join the 60-day academies, you can listen to the webinars on flipping, on deal packaging, on deal sourcing, on getting started and working with investors. All the things you need and all the experience, the millions of pounds worth of experience that I had. And also subscribe to the YouTube channel. I think my brain is addled with the cold. I mean, it's a gorgeous day and I'm off to Georgetown for a food tour, but it is cold, as you can tell from my jacket. So which is the best property strategy for you? I will finally come on to that question. Right. Do you have any cash at all? No? Okay, deal packager. Very simple. You find a discounted deal, so you need to learn how to deal source. Go over to my website, thegoodpropertycompany.co.uk. You need to find an investor who wants deals. There are so many of them around the place. You agree the sale of the deal discounted, and then you get the investor to buy and you get paid a fee. We charged 5%. So if you were finding an average £300,000 property, guess how much you'd be paid? 15,000 quid within weeks, because you get paid on exchange. So if you need a contract for that, you know where to go. Website. Second one, you got some cash, but you're really aware that you need more. Flipping. That's a really great strategy. So you buy and sell. I don't want you doing kind of what I might term heart rendering flips, where you're buying old properties and just, putting the heart and soul back into them. I want you buying fast, renovating fast, selling fast. Cookie cutters, fast in, fast out, don't mess around. If you've got enough money, great, do it yourself. If you haven't got enough money, do it with joint venture partners who are PS 13.3 qualified. I've got other videos on how you get them qualified on my YouTube channel. So a really good opportunity for you to subscribe. So that's flipping. The next one is, I hope the wind doesn't mess my voice for you guys, because it's windy here in Washington. The next one is soothe. I want to be financially free. You might want to go to warmer places than Washington in November. I'm over in America for Thanksgiving for my sister. So I'm doing Washington, Philadelphia, and then New York, and then Brooklyn, where my sister and brother-in-law live. So owning a property portfolio, that is the only way. Remember Robert Kiyosaki, Rich Dad, Poor Dad, assets, paying bills. You've got employed, self-employed, business owner, and then finally investor. Well, owning a property portfolio is the only way really in property to become financially free, which is cash freedom and time freedom. So for that, you definitely will need to buy discounted deals, because then you can buy refurb, refinance and rent out. But you're almost certainly going to need to run a second cash generating strategy alongside, because everybody runs out of money at some point in property. So for those I would choose either flipping. And what I did was I flipped in joint venture partnerships, or I would choose deal packaging. And I actually ran both. So what you probably want to do is, the classic is buy 5, sell 3, keep 2, or buy 5, sell 2, keep 3. And what that allows you to do, although it's heartbreaking to sell ones when you'd love to keep them all, it allows your cash flow to keep moving forward. Because typically property investors don't go bust because of bad deals. They typically go bust because of cash flow. And you're not going to be one of those people, are you? So there you go. No cash, deal packaging. Got cash, want more cash, flipping. Want long-term security, financial freedom, life for travel and ease, buying a property portfolio. However, in the early days, in order to keep your cash flow moving, we have to go back to 2 of the cash flow strategies as well, which is flipping or deal sourcing. What I not want you doing? Rent to rent. Why? Because you don't own the properties. We spend a long time. Basically, if you're going to find a rent to rent deal, and then have to kind of give the landlord all the capital growth and argue with the tenants about light bulbs and be a letting agent, which is madness because that's nowhere near financial freedom. Why don't you spend the same amount of time on deal packaging? It makes logical sense. Then you earn the cash, then you can learn the skills on finding discounted deals, then you can buy, refurb, refinance, and rent out yourself and start traveling the world. So there we go. Which strategy is right for you depends on where you're at with cash. Zero cash deal packaging, got cash flipping, not got cash flipping in a joint venture, and want freedom, then owning properties. Hope that's useful. I think I might need to warm up and go get a coffee. Have a brilliant day. Remember to go on my website because a lot of those strategies I've actually written manuals for you guys that you can download straight away. And that's called thegoodpropertycompany.co.uk. And also remember to subscribe and like on the YouTube channel. I've got playlists for you guys. So if you're like, right, Suze, I'm inspired to think about deal sourcing, I got a deal sourcing playlist. Right, Suze, I want to learn about flipping. I got a flipping playlist. It's all organized for you. Have a fantastic day. Look after yourself. Oh, the property website, thegoodpropertycompany.co.uk. Most importantly, you can do it. Bye just now.
A key question is, how do I get started in property? Write yourself a plan. I have written you guys a pack, how to write a business plan and deliver business success in property. You can download it now.